If you fill your stomach to the top with a meal every time, will your food would be digested? If you think yes, then you are wrong. While eating, you must keep left a little space empty in your stomach. But a lot of us have a habit to consume more food than our bodies need by overeating 2 to 3 times more. The things only we should do is that only half our stomach should be filled with food to make it easier for our digestive system to process the food efficiently. But how do we identify when the stomach will half have filled? Don't worry, it's easy. When your stomach is empty, it has some fresh air left inside. When you eat in this state, your stomach expands to accommodate the incoming food, pushing the air out and then causing you to burp when the stomach is half full. This is because the air in your stomach comes out through the food pipe, and this is called a burp of completion, which indicates your stomach has reached certain level of fullness. Food eaten after this won't be digested well.